IKEA just released a bunch of new products for this summer. So today we're going to some of the best new finds for summer 2023. I'm Man, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. I feel like we have to start with the MARISTOVA Mirror. This organic shaped mirror wrapped in rattan is so gorgeous. This one actually is inspired by the Japandi interior design style, which is another proof that IKEA follows the latest design trends. Kudos to that. Another new mirror for this summer is this rose gold mirror that reminds me of a sunset. This one is such a cool accent piece to have anywhere in your home, from your hallway to your bedroom or bathroom. I just love it. A side table that's new at IKEA for this summer is this practical metal frame table with wood tabletop. I first saw this one a few weeks ago when I was designing a living room using only IKEA products. I'll make sure to link that video into the description box. This is such a smart side table that you can just slide in front of you when you're sitting on the sofa, and then you can just quickly transform it into a stylish coffee table when you need the extra space for serving or eating. Another new side table is the JÄTTESTA side table. This one looks so minimal and sleek. It's made out of bamboo and metal, and it comes in two different colors, this black one and a white one with natural bamboo. This rocking chair is another new product at IKEA for this summer. This colorful chair is waterproof and is made out of easy care textile seat. It's such a unique product for both a cozy vibe on your patio or balcony, but you can also use it as a comfy seat indoors. I honestly feel like IKEA designs the best bamboo lampshades, and this new one is another proof of that. This circle-shaped handmade lampshade comes in two different sizes, and they both look gorgeous. They will make a statement piece for the living room, bedroom, even the dining room. Another new pendant lamp at IKEA for this summer is this one. This one has a more timeless design and is just perfect to hang over your dining table or kitchen island. I'm not a huge fan of artificial plants, but these two IKEA just released are something else. These trays look so natural and are actually made of recycled plastic. I think they give the space an organic and natural look, and I just love them. There are so many new rugs at IKEA this summer, but these three are my absolute favorites. First off, check out this funky checkered rug in this white and green color. This one's flat weaved, and it gives such a vibrant and retro vibes into the space. Another rug that definitely stands out from the crowd is this beautiful handmade wool rug. This one is a bit pricey, but for a wool rug like this, I think it's totally worth it. Especially since this rug is hand woven, making it one of a kind. This rug is naturally soil repellent and very durable. Another rug that grabbed my attention is this tiger rug. This one's so out of the box. I love how IKEA incorporated this one into a living room. It's honestly such a fun small rug to have anywhere in your home or even as a doormat. I used to think of IKEA as a Scandinavian styled shop for so long, but honestly I've been proven wrong so many times now. Not only IKEA follows the latest interior design trends, but you can also find something for every interior design style too. Just check out these new duvet covers, for example. This first one has such a fun design that brings a cheerful look into the space. You can use it both sides. This one's perfect for a funky postmodern look. Duvet covers in general are a nice way to introduce colors into the space, and this one does just that. Another new duvet cover set that's so gorgeous is this boho one. This one's made out of 100% cotton. It comes in two colors, this earthy green and a neutral beige one. The tufted geometric pattern and coconut wood buttons create a cozy, textured aesthetic and give the space an organic and natural feel. Another new funky and colorful product IKEA just released is this soft rib knit throw. This one's so funky and unique and out of the box, and again, it's a great way to incorporate colors to your space. These Cork Place Mat are another new product IKEA just released this summer. These have playful shapes and dotted patterns and can be used on both sides for different looks. They also come with matching coasters for $1.99. Also, these ones in that similar look, which are inspired by a Japanese dyeing technique. And when we're talking about setting the table, I just have to mention this new beautiful table runner. This one is made out of linen and looks so organic with this black floral pattern and frayed edges. I could also definitely see this one as a wall decoration too. Another new IKEA product for this summer is this light green glass door cabinet. This one's such a unique piece for displaying decor or sorting anything in your home. Also, this red metal shelf unit, that's such an interesting piece for displaying or storing. A new tabletop that's definitely worth mentioning is this square pattern tabletop that reminds me of small tiles. This was such a huge trend a while back, and I feel like it still is. Everyone on TikTok was tiling desks and tables, and I honestly believe that's where the inspo for this one is coming from, and I'm all for it. Just combine this tabletop with legs that you like or with the Alex drawer unit, and you got yourself a gorgeous budget desk. Another new IKEA product that's perfect for the office space is this Cork phone or tablet holder. This one looks so good while being functional at the same time. And the last new IKEA product I have for you today is this magazine file. This one's great for organizing all your loose papers, recipes, and notebooks. Plus, it looks like a decor piece on its own. And that wraps it up for today. To be honest, I left out so many amazing new products. They just couldn't fit in this one video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss part 2. Until then, let me know which product was your favorite from the new IKEA summer collection. And if you like the products I picked, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hey, you still sleeping? You're such a sleepy boy. You're such a good boy. Aww. Say bye to the YouTube family. Say bye.